Opener Blackfly. The Opener Blackfly is a futuristic electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to provide individual owners with easy access to the joy of flight. Its unique design simplicity makes it affordable, robust, safe, and convenient for mass adoption. The Blackfly has been showcased at air shows and events like EAA AirVenture, where it demonstrated its capabilities. If you're curious about what it's like to fly this innovative eVTOL, check out this video by AOPA, Your Freedom to Fly. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is pioneering a thrilling new way to experience personal, vertical flight. Unlike traditional aircraft sales, Lift doesn't sell aircraft. Instead, they offer electric multi-rotor flying experiences. Imagine taking to the skies without needing a pilot's license. Their flagship vehicle, Hexa, is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) passenger drone. It's designed for scenic flights in uncongested areas near major cities, tourist destinations, and entertainment hubs. So, whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just curious about futuristic flying, Lift is making it accessible to everyone. Copter Pack. Copter Pack is a groundbreaking personal aircraft designed by an Australian company of the same name. Unlike traditional helicopters, Copter Pack relies on electric propulsion. It's equipped with two enormous rotors that allow vertical takeoff and landing. The lightweight airframe is crafted from carbon fiber honeycomb, ensuring both strength and agility. Copter Pack boasts a self-leveling autopilot system, enhancing stability during flight. What makes Copter Pack unique is that your body becomes an integral part of the aircraft. Imagine strapping on a backpack and taking to the skies. The goal is to set a new benchmark for safety and performance in personal aviation. Keep an eye on the Copter Pack YouTube channel for updates and thrilling flights. J2000 Flying Car. The Jetopter J2000 Flying Car. Imagine a sleek, compact vehicle that's faster than a race car, capable of vertical takeoff and landing, and can fly at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. The J2000 boasts a range of 200 miles, making it suitable for air taxi services or longer journeys. What sets it apart? Well, it ditches traditional propellers in favor of a bladeless fluidic propulsion system inspired by Dyson. This innovative design uses hoops as thrusters, creating negative pressure over its wing-shaped surface to achieve lift. And the best part? It's half the size of a helicopter. So, are you ready for a real flying car? KIWIGOGO T1. The KIWIGOGO T1 is an exciting electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for advanced air mobility (AAM). The T1 features a sleek, futuristic design with 6 wings, propellers, arranged around a capsule-like frame. Its open cockpit provides a unique flying experience, allowing the pilot to sit in the center with unobstructed views. The aircraft's open-frame fuselage enhances visibility and aerodynamics. The T1 is powered entirely by electricity, making it environmentally friendly. 8 electric motors drive the propellers, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. The batteries support flights of up to 30 minutes, ideal for short local trips. The T1 can levitate up to 82 feet, 25 meters, above the ground. It achieves speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for urban air mobility. While currently designed for a single passenger, KIWIGOGO is working on a second-generation model that can carry 2 or more passengers. Icon A5. The adventure of flight reimagined. The Icon A5 is a remarkable amphibious light sport airplane that redefines recreational aviation. Designed for pilots who primarily fly for recreation, the A5 offers an exhilarating experience with its easy-to-fly nature, lightweight construction, and low operating costs. The A5 boasts an innovative spin-resistant airframe and an Icon parachute system, ensuring your peace of mind even in unexpected situations. The FAA has granted type certification for the Icon A5, expanding its international market reach. Icon offers flight training experiences to help you maximize your A5 adventures. Jetson ONE. The Jetson ONE is an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft designed by Jetson Aero. With 8 electric motors, the Jetson ONE delivers a whopping 102 horsepower. These motors drive an equal number of propellers, ensuring efficient and exhilarating flight. The Jetson ONE features a cutting-edge flight computer that makes flying a breeze. In less than 5 minutes, anyone can become a pilot, thanks to its intuitive controls for altitude and direction. Inspired by race cars, the Jetson ONE boasts a safety cell design. Even if one motor fails, it can sustain continuous flight. Plus, it has an auto-land function and additional safety features for emergencies. In the United States, you can fly the Jetson ONE without a pilot's license, making it accessible to aviation enthusiasts and thrill seekers alike. Cavorite X5. The Cavorite X5 is a sleek, long-range hybrid electric VTOL aircraft designed for advanced air mobility, AAM. It features a patented fan and wing vertical lift system, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capabilities. With a maximum speed of approximately 280 miles per hour and an expected range of around 500 miles, the Cavorite X5 offers efficient and flexible transportation for up to 5 passengers and their luggage. Its unique split-wing mechanism enables it to transition seamlessly between VTOL and horizontal flight, making it a promising contender in the emerging eVTOL market. Horizon Aircraft, based in Canada, plans to begin low-volume production in 2024, positioning the Cavorite X5 as a versatile air taxi option. Klein Vision's Flying Air Car. The Klein Vision Air Car is a remarkable 2-seat flying car designed by Stefan Klein and manufactured in Slovakia. It's not science fiction anymore. This futuristic vehicle can seamlessly transform from an aircraft to a car within 2 minutes. After completing a 35-minute intercity flight, the air car received an airworthiness certificate from the Slovak Transport Authority. It's capable of reaching speeds of over 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, and heights exceeding 8,000 feet, 2,500 meters. Moreover, Klein Vision is currently testing a lightweight but powerful engine that's expected to power a new monocoque air car with a variable pitch prop, aiming for speeds over 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, and a range of approximately 620 miles. Lazzarini Air Car. The Air Car, a futuristic concept designed by Lazzarini Design Studio, combines the best of both worlds, a car and a plane. Its sleek 6-meter-long carbon fiber monocoque structure houses 4 Rolls-Royce jet engines that can independently adjust their inclination and rotation. This unique feature ensures stability and high maneuverability, allowing the Air Car to soar through the skies at a maximum speed of 750 kilometers per hour. With an estimated range of 3,200 kilometers at full fuel load, this innovative vehicle could revolutionize urban mobility and redefine how we travel. Kitty Hawk's Flyer eVTOL. The Kitty Hawk Flyer was a unique electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed for urban air mobility (UAM). Imagine a bobsled mounted on a couple of pontoons surrounded by a bunch of drone rotors. That's how The Verge colorfully described it. With 10 electric motors powering its vertical propellers, 3 on each pontoon and 4 on struts, the Flyer weighed 250 pounds, 113 kilograms, and could reach a maximum altitude of 10 feet, 3 meters. Its cruise speed was around 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, and it offered a flight time of 12 to 20 minutes. Interestingly, you didn't need a pilot's license to fly it. You could learn to operate it in just minutes. The Flyer program was eventually canceled, but it left a memorable mark in the world of futuristic aviation. Martin Jetpack. The Martin Jetpack was a groundbreaking ultralight aircraft developed by the Martin Aircraft Company in New Zealand. Despite its name, it didn't rely on traditional jet propulsion. Instead, it used 2 duct fans for lift. The Martin Jetpack featured a small VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, design. A 2.0-liter V4 piston engine generated 200 horsepower, driving the twin duct fans that provided lift. Pilots strapped onto the device, but it was too large to be worn while walking, so it wasn't a true backpack jetpack. Unlike most helicopters, the Martin Jetpack was torque neutral, eliminating the need for a tail rotor. It was relatively easy to fly, with pitch, roll, and yaw controlled by one hand and height by the other. Cadillac of Flying Cars. The Cadillac VTOL is General Motors, GM, futuristic concept for a flying car. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle aims to revolutionize personal air travel. With a sleek design, the Cadillac VTOL combines luxury and innovation. It features 4 rotors powered by a 90 kilowatts electric motor, allowing it to take off and land vertically. The eVTOL can reach speeds of up to 56 miles per hour, making it ideal for short trips within urban areas. Imagine hopping from one rooftop to another or bypassing traffic with ease. GM envisions the Cadillac VTOL as a sky taxi, providing efficient and convenient transportation for the future. XPENG X2. The XPENG X2, an exciting 2-seater flying car. Developed and manufactured by XPENG Aero HD, this electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle is boldly called the Low-Altitude Air Mobility Explorer. The X2 boasts a minimalist teardrop-shaped design, combining futuristic aesthetics with highly efficient aerodynamics. It's an all-electric marvel with a carbon fiber body, 8 rotors, and the ability to soar up to altitudes of 1,000 meters, 3,281 feet. With a cruising speed of up to 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour, and a flight time of 35 minutes per charge, the X2 is perfect for short-distance city journeys, including sightseeing and medical transportation. Plus, it's eco-friendly, emitting zero carbon dioxide during flight, a step forward in urban green transportation.